Hello friends, today we are going to make Basanti Pulao. To make Basanti Pulao, we need Gobindobhog rice. I am taking 3 cups of Gobindobhog rice in a strainer. Now we have to thoroughly wash the rice so that the starch is cleaned nicely, and then we have to air dry the Gobindobhog rice for 20 to 30 minutes. After 25 minutes we can see the rice has almost dried up. Other ingredients are cashew nut 50 grams, raisins 50 grams, ginger finely chopped 10 grams, slit green chilies 3 to 4, whole garam masala, that is cardamom, clove and dalchini, sugar 5 tablespoons, turmeric powder half tablespoon, rock salt to taste. Also we need pure ghee, that is clarified butter, around 5 tablespoons. Now I am taking a mixing bowl in which I have added Gobindobhog rice. Now I am going to add finely chopped ginger, next I will add the sugar, after that I will add salt and turmeric powder. Here I have taken half tablespoon of turmeric powder. It gives a nice yellowish color to the rice. That is why it is called Basanti Pulao. Basanti means yellow color in Bengali language. Now I am going to mix all the ingredients very well. Next I am going to add the clarified butter, that is pure cow ghee. I have taken around 5 tablespoons. It gives a very nice aroma along with the Gobindobhog rice aroma. It's very nice and very delicious, not only by taste, also by smell. Now in a handi I have taken ghee in which I am frying the bay leaves. Also I will add garam masala, cashew nuts and raisins, and I will fry it for 2 minutes. Then I will add the rice mixture in it and mix it well. Now we have to fry the Gobindobhog rice for next 3 to 4 minutes till the grains turn opaque in color. After that I am going to add the water. I will take around 6 cups of water. As I had already shown you, around 3 cups of Gobindobhog rice I had taken, so the measurement should be 1:2. If I take 3 cups of Gobindobhog rice, I will take around 6 cups of water. So friends, after 10 minutes we can see that the rice is well cooked and it smells really great. Friends, Basanti Pulao is ready. You can see it is very well cooked, not at all soggy. Each grain is intact, and I will show you how nicely it is cooked from inside. Each grain is cooked very nicely. You can enjoy it with aloo dum, chola dal and fries and fritters. It's going to taste very nice, and don't forget to give it as Bhog or Prasad to Lord Krishna this Janmashtami and enjoy with your friends and families. So if you like my video, then please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel, friends. And also I wish you all a very happy Janmashtami. Enjoy, everyone.